Today we're going to break down this insane turntablist DJ routine.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Miles Medina is a Goldie Awards DJ champion, and his style of DJing and performing is just on another level. It's not even fair. What makes his DJ routine so cool is that there's scratching, juggling, drumming, and tone playing all done extremely well in like 40 seconds. Miles was definitely flexing his skills in this one. Unfortunately though, most DJs, including myself, aren't as skilled as him. So in order to make this routine easier to do for beginners and pros who don't even know how to scratch, juggle, and drum, I've recreated a simpler version of this routine which anyone can do with any DJ controller and software. The only catch is that we have to use a special DJ edit which is free to download. And for my exclusive YouTube members out there, I've included a special DJ edit of this routine that you guys can use in your DJ sets. Anyway, if you've downloaded the edits, let's proceed on with the routine recreation simplification.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Once you get the tracks, let's load them up on our DJ software. For the sampler section, this will be the order we'll be following. Feel free to mess around and adjust each sample's volume to your liking. Now let's load the Get Your Freak On track on both decks and let's cue it up. So to speed up this process, please copy these cue points positions. Now our crossfader setting is set to sharp, and here's how you can adjust your settings on Rekordbox DJ and Serato. So with our tracks prepped and readied, let's now proceed on to doing this routine. So this routine starts with us triggering cue point A on deck 1, followed by doing the beat juggle section. So there are two ways to do this, the easy way and the hard way. The easy way involves triggering cue points in this pattern on deck 1 after triggering cue point A.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
The hard way involves doing the same pattern but interchanging between both decks via the crossfader. Anyway, I'll teach you guys how to do this the hard way because it's just simply more cooler. So deck 1 is queued up at cue point A and deck 2 is queued up at cue point B. And our crossfader is all the way to the left. So the first thing we're going to do is trigger and play deck 1, then slam the crossfader to deck 2 and trigger and play deck 2 to start our juggle.
Listen to me now.
Then as both decks are playing, we'll slam our crossfader to the left and trigger cue point C. Then immediately slam the crossfader to the right and trigger cue point C as well.
Listen to me now.
So this will be the tonal pattern we'll be following for 3 times. The 4th time involves slamming the crossfader to the left, then triggering cue point B, followed by triggering cue point D and deck 2 sampler mode at the same time to initiate the drumming section of this routine.
Listen to me now.
And here's how the first part of this routine goes.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Now Miles Medina is ambidextrous and can drum two different patterns on both hands, which unfortunately I can't. So with our left hand at the hot cue section of deck 1 and our right hand on the sample mode section in deck 2, we'll be triggering cue point C and sample pad 1 and 2 in this pattern together for 3 times. Now the fourth pattern is followed by triggering cue point B on deck 1 once, while drumming sample pad 2 in double time speed, followed by triggering sample pad 3 to initiate the Toneplay section of this routine.
Listen to me now.
And here's how the second part of this routine goes.
Listen to me now.
Now before we move on to the Toneplay section of this routine, if you want to know how I made these edited tracks, it's through learning music production through Skillshare. I took King Arthur DJ's class in remixing dance music, digital production basics. There teaches you how to remix your songs and make them sound like your own. And those lessons are perfect for DJs who not only want to up their production game, but their DJ performance game as well. So if you want to check out that music production masterclass and a whole lot more, the first 1,000 people who click the link down below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium so you can explore your creativity. And Skillshare is an online learning community that offers membership with meaning. With over 20,000 classes in graphic design, music production, songwriting, and more, which are all fueled by passionate creatives like myself, you're pretty much set for life if you wanted anything new, efficiently, effectively, and economically. Because an annual subscription on Skillshare just costs us $10 a month. So make 2020 a year where you explore new skills, deepen existing passions, get lost in creativity with Skillshare's online classes. Anyway, let's now move on to doing the Toneplay section of this routine. So after you trigger sample pad 3, that'll be your cue to do our Toneplay routine. So on deck 1, we'll be pressing these cue points in this order for 2 times. Now to help with your timing, listen to pad number 3's echo tail and use it as a metronome.
Listen to me now.
Now the third part starts with us doing the Toneplay routine again, but this time we'll also be triggering sample pad 4 at the same time. So that means we'll be pressing cue point E and sample pad 4 simultaneously. Followed by that, we'll continue doing our Toneplay routine till we reach the end of sample pad 4.
Listen to me now.
Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
And that's it. So if you guys have any other routines you guys want me to break down, please comment them down below. And with that said, I will see you all in the next one.